Hey there, creative friends! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into the cozy vibes of fall with a warm and wonderful drawing. It's the perfect season to cuddle up with some knitting, so let's get started on our fall knitting basket together. First things first, we're going to create a basket to hold all our colorful woolen bundles of joy. We'll start by making 2 handles and adding the basket's base. And voila! Our basket is taking shape. But we're not stopping there. Let's add some texture to our basket, making it look like it's been lovingly woven together. Remember, it's the small details that make everything so special. Now onto the stars of the show, our knitting balls. They're so cute and colorful. Let's add some thread details to our woolen balls, like they're ready to create something amazing. We'll just add few lines running across the thread, and we'll fill up all the threads on the balls like this. Now to set the stage, let's add a woolen ball on the ground, as if it's just been unraveled and is right in the middle of some cozy knitting. We'll even add 2 knitting needles to make it look super authentic. And for that extra touch of warmth, 2 hearts on the needle ends. But wait, there's more coziness coming your way. Let's add a pin cushion on the left side of the basket, and we'll pop a few pins right into it. Safety first, right? Now here comes the fun part. Let's add some color. Our basket is getting a beautiful straw brown color, perfect for this season. And our woolen knitting balls. Let's make them warm and cozy with an autumn palette. Yellow, blue, red, orange, and brown. The yarn ball on the ground, it's getting a lovely peach color. And don't forget the pin cushion. It's turning a cheerful shade of red. Oh, and we can't leave out the pins standing on the cushion. Let's give them your favorite colors to make everything pop. And there you have it. Our fantastic fall knitting basket is complete. Doesn't it look super cozy and inviting? I hope you had as much fun drawing it as I did. If you enjoyed this cozy fall drawing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more fun and creative content. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you next time. Happy drawing, everyone!